Hey everyone, it's Tony, and today I'm going to test out the Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax. Now this is a 48-ounce bottle, and as per Meguiar's, it leaves a deep, glossy, just waxed shine with amazing suds. So we're going to test this out in a foam cannon and in a wash, and we'll determine whether or not it is a really ultimate car wash. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to pour 3 ounces of the car wash into 16 ounces of water. So it's been about 3 minutes and has a fruity scent, probably more of a banana scent actually. Alright, I'm gonna rinse off. Here's the final result. The Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax is fantastic. This was a great car soap, great scent, but also really easy to use. Rinsed off really easily. Truly recommend this car soap. But what are your thoughts? Please leave your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. Well, thanks everyone for watching this video. God bless. See you in the next one.